Hello there and welcome. I'd like to get right down to it now and ask you a question about a subject that some people consider to be a dirty word: money. And the question is, are you surviving or are you thriving? Now, if you're surviving and getting by from month to month, always having just enough, or perhaps having to juggle the cards every month, or simply not having enough for the good things in life, then listen on, especially if your particular pattern has gone on for a while, because you might want to seriously think about my workshop, which is called Transform Your Relationship with Money. Now, I've run this workshop twice or so in the last year, and I'm going to call it highly successful. Why? Because the people who've come on it have had positive results. They've done the work on the workshop, they've applied some of the ideas that they've learned, and they've gone off and they've shifted, changed, transformed their relationship with money. Now, if you'd like to do that for you and move out of that place where you're surviving or having just enough or struggling or whatever is going on with you, then I want you to know that this is a workshop that works, because what happens on these workshops is that we go to the source of the issue. And the source of the issue is always in the same place. It's always in the subconscious mind. Now, I've been working using hypnosis and regression for over a decade now with people and their problems, and in particular with money, abundance, and flow. So this workshop has really developed as a result of the work that I've been doing with people on a one-to-one basis. So it's effective. Now, if you're ready to make a change for you, and I hope that you are if you need to, then have a look at the link that's posted below this video for the next dates of the workshop. Now, I do want to mention that what I hear from a lot of people who are potentially interested in this workshop is that they can't afford it. Now, some of you might laugh at that, but it's actually serious stuff, because those people are genuinely blind to the reality that that's what this workshop is all about, changing that. And they're probably seriously stuck. It's actually their issue surfacing when they say those words. It's resistance, large and loud. Now, if that's a friend of yours or that's you, then call me, talk to me. I'm not about to give you the money or a free workshop, but I might just say something that will help you change that belief or magic that money for yourself, because let's face it, that pattern of yours needs changing. Now, if you're excited about what I'm saying, if you're interested, if you're curious, or most importantly of all, if you're ready to transform your relationship with money, then have a look at the link below. Have a look at the page on my website, give me a call, send me an email, and I hope that I can see you on the next workshop where you can change your relationship with money. Ta-ta.